The proprietary status, accessibility, and permitted use of the Vieux Fort recreational park remain contested issues amid perceived legal ambiguity.
Bradley, Alan Chasney, God forbid I'm mentioning the name in my mouth because I said I would never do that again. Signing that document and I think not knowing what was in it. It's a very thick document.
Chairman of the Vieux Fort South constituency group, Cyril Saltibus, recounts the time when the official document between the Alan Chasney administration and Desert Star Holdings was signed, noting the apprehension of many Vieux Fortians opposed to the deal.
As things unfold, I remember Vieux Fort forces advocating because they found out, look, our lands in the south are in trouble.
A renewed focus on the status of the lands has emerged following attempts to use the area in April 2025 for jazz and arts events, and then again, allegedly for the launch of the SLP candidate Danny Butcher.
This meeting in Vieux Fort has caused him to be re-energized with his group to keep advocating about this land. Now, I can just give you a story of jazz this year when I was called to assist. And I was told, well, we can have jazz there, but I was told that this is in dispute. And whenever land is in dispute, that means there's two owners or something is wrong with it. And the name DSH came up, and the name government came up. So the land it's in court, it's been disputed that who owns it or who have legal right to it.
The ongoing matter recently drew a swift comment from Choiseul MP Bradley Felix, who stated the Vieux Fort Recreational Park is clear of any legal or ownership disputes.
This impassing number this Bradley guy is talking about is in dispute, and that must stop. We must tell the country the truth.
It remains unclear whether the Vieux Fort recreational parklands formed part of the large swaths of land earmarked for the development under the Desert Star Holdings DSH project, which was reportedly leased by the previous Alan Chasney-led government for US $1 per acre for 99 years. Despite the confusion, the park was used to host the launch of the SLP-endorsed candidate Danny Butcher, which Saltibus says brought with it prying opposition eyes.
I saw some Flabo operatives, in the bush while we were setting up, looking at it and taking photographs. I don't know what for. Maybe to build the case that we were on lands that don't belong to us. But the difficulties was the echoes of the yellow-bellied people out there that, look, we're breaking the law and stuff like that. But again, I know we're not. No man should be denied the use of his own land.
The SLP operative says if successful at the polls, he is urging the Labour Party to move with alacrity to bring a resolution to the matter for the people of Vieux Fort.
This case should never be about the government anti-Joaquin. It must be about the people. People, when St. Lucia Labour Party gets this renewed level of governance after the next election, when we win all 17 seats, what we're going to do is to have the people of Vieux Fort bring a case against Joaquin for all our lands. And I heard Danny Butcher echo this thing, and I'm so happy.
Efforts have been made to contact representatives of Invest St. Lucia, who have informed Newsforce that a response will be forthcoming.